Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to change your username on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok account. The next thing is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. The next thing is to click on edit profile. Clicking on edit profile, you just have to click on username, which is the second option after name. Now you can now change the username and write the username of your choice that you want. Now you can now type in save. So you see, it says set your username. You can change your username once every 30 days. So I just have to click on set username. So this username will only be changed in the next 30 days and cannot be changed below 30 days. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.